Here's a quick video on how to navigate Wescheme, Bootstrap's code editor. First, to get to Wescheme, you go to wescheme.org. That's WESCHEME.org. And when you land on the home screen, you'll get two options. The first one is, let's just get going and start coding. If you click on this option, if you notice below it says without being able to save. So you're going to go into the editor, you're going to be able to run programs, great, but it's not attached to an account. So you're not going to be able to access your games after you exit the editor. Now if you go to the login page, see where it says just underneath here to access your programs, this login page is linked to your Google account. So once you log in, everything will be saved under Wescheme, but it will also be saved not in your Google account, but under Wescheme with your Google account username. So I'm going to go ahead and click Login. You'll probably get to a window that asks you to log into your Google account. You'll do that, and then it'll take you into here. I'll give you a quick little tour. So the first thing is, to start a new program, you just click Start a New Program. Opens up a new editor here. The editor is comprised of, and we went over this in class, but I'll just say it again, is comprised of a definitions window and an interaction window. The definitions window is where you programmers define values and functions in their program, while the interaction windows allows them to experiment with those values and functions. So we're testing things out in both of these windows, right? We're writing code and then we're running the code to see what it looks like. Or we're evaluating the code. Run is a little bit different. Run is up here. Evaluate is there's an expression and then you evaluate it, so basically you get the answer here. To actually run your program, you click Run over here. I'm going to show you what this looks like in a second. To stop the program, you click Stop. Anytime you run a program, you want to stop it again so that it kind of resets. To save the program, you click here. To share it, add images and recipes, we'll get to that later, but these are the four core things that you want to know about. All right, so to get back out to that original window where all the programs are listed, you click here under Programs, right? And here's a list of all the programs. I'm going to share the Playing Football program. This is the one that I created when I first started experimenting with Bootstrap, and I'll share that in the workspace. But for now, what I really want to show you is here's how you share your games. You click Share, and then you would go, I wouldn't email it, I would just get the link. So I would go, let's see, email? Oh, email does work. Okay, so you email it, and there's the link. It used to be that it would actually just give you the link, and you'd copy and paste an email, but they changed a little bit. So anyway, here's how you email that, and you just send it to whoever you wanted to send it to, and then they would get the email in their email account, they would click on the game and it would show. Here's how to delete a game. I wouldn't delete any games for now. We can do that later. But for now, I wouldn't delete it because I don't want anybody accidentally deleting their games. The final thing that I want to mention before closing this video is that, and it's really kind of cool, there is a way after you create your game, there's a way to actually make it mobile friendly, so it will be responsive and you can play your games on your phones, which is pretty cool. All right, that's all I have for you. Thank you for listening.